Hey, this is Sandy Donovan with Get Unrobed, and I'm here to show you how to get the perfect bridesmaid's robe with customization. Alright, so from the home page, you're just going to click on the robe that you'd like. So here we're going to select the black robe. So once you get in here, you can start to customize your product. So first we're going to go and select the size. If you're not exactly sure which size you'd like, then you can go to this pop-up here. Pay attention to the dress sizes. That's going to be what really lets you know what size robe you should get. And you always want to get a little bit bigger than you normally would. Here I'm going to select the thread color and the letters that I would like on the front, on the monogram. If you don't want to have 3 letters, you can always select a blank. Now I want to go and check out the monogram style and also the font style. That way I can really personalize it here. Once I get what I want, I can select how many I'd like and hit add to cart. This will take me right to the cart, so if I want, I can check out, but if I need to add more, so if you're buying a whole set of bridesmaid robes, then you can just go back by clicking on the product that you would like to add more of. So in this case, I'll add more of those bridesmaid robes. So I'm going to repeat the process, and I'll do that for all of the bridal party until I get exactly what I want. And then I'll go back to the cart button, make sure that my order is correct. Then I will accept the terms and go ahead and check out. Once you get to this screen, it's really easy. You just decide if you want any add-ons. If not, you can hit no thanks. If you would like to add accessories to your robes, then you can go ahead, add them, and check out. And then you just follow the instructions and it'll lead you right to checkout. Thanks for ordering with Get Unrobed. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to info@getunrobed.com.